Today we're going to be making some really delicious bread buns. I think bread is something that is a favorite in every household. When you make your bread yourself, you find it very gratifying and it is so delicious. Much better, much sweeter than store-bought breads, and we're going to be making it today, and I hope you would be making yours when you see how easy it is to make in this video. So here I've got 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, which will be going into my bowl. Here I've got 1 cup of warm milk, and I'm going to add it to the yeast and the sugar, and we're just going to give that a mix. So here I'm adding in half a cup of butter. So here I've got 1 egg, which I'm going to add into our wet ingredients. We mix it. So in here I've got 3.5 cups of flour, and to that I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of sugar going in and 1 teaspoon of salt, and we give it all a mix. So now we're going to be adding in the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. So I'm just going to flour down my surface with some flour, pop our dough on there and brush it with a little bit of butter, and then we start to knead it for 10 minutes. Now we're just going to cover it with a damp towel and leave it to rest for an hour. Good. That is such a beautiful dough. It's risen so well, and now we just need to punch out the gas. Wow, it is